about this little Boaman motherfucker. Boaman 04872 or whatever the fuck he's going by now. He's got 10 different fucking aliases online. Most of you motherfuckers are so fucking stupid you don't even realize when a troll has been trolling you. This goddamn cocksucker haunted Positive Pythons for a month and I just got my first retake from Bob Clark and it's in a 10-gallon. Everything's great. Like, oh my god, so many people got booted from Positive Pythons and fucking kicked out for 3 days and banned and pushed around and fucking threw fucking tantrums because y'all were freaking out on this fucking internet troll. It's not even a goddamn real person. His whole fucking thing, he doesn't talk like that. He doesn't do anything the way he portrays himself in those videos. He's a living troll. He's not a real person. He's a character, like a fucking cartoon. He's the Larry the Cable Guy of the fucking snake industry. He's not real, guys. And he went and got y'all all in a fucking big tizzy. Fuck me, dude. This guy, I'm not gonna lie to you, about like 2012 when I got my very first Facebook account, haunted my fucking profile. Fucking, he was always stirring up some fucking bullshit. And then I figured it out. Oh, this is a goddamn internet troll. Don't feed this motherfucker and he'll go away. Don't feed the trolls, they go away. Guess what? Massachusetts fucking wildlife protection done kicked in this motherfucker's door and took all his fucking animals last week. He just lost his court case. He lost everything he had, and now he's talking like a normal human being on a fucking video about, oh, I won't get my snakes back. Fuck you, Boaman. Good riddance to bad fucking rubbish. And the rest of you, stop feeding the fucking trolls. You're the reason they exist. Ivor Jones.